Back on the record, this is once again Bear County Court at Law number 6 in the Bear County Veterans Treatment Court. It is Tuesday, October 26, 2021. In our arraignment docket, and Mr. Coronado, what is the status of Mr. Morales, please?
This is a first setting. I need an offer, please.
On Martinez?
No, Morales, he said.
Eric Morales is who I've got.
Where?
Well,
670-161.
Your Honor, he's got two before him.
oh, clever. Let's back up.
That's why
All right, God, I apologize. Let me start over. Let's start with Edgar Martinez, so Pat will be happy.
thank you.
Also waiting on an offer for him.
All right, and then how about Frank Devanique Brown?
Same thing.
Have
Your
checked on his
contact,
affidavit of sureties? Sorry.
Oh, that's right. He had he's a fugitive.
he's hot on the computer.
Yeah.
You may want to talk to his bondsman in your free time.
I will.
Let's reset all those for 1 week so you can get offers. Will that work?
All three of them for 1 week from today?
Yep.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Okay.
You're out of here. Thanks.
Thank you much. Have a good one.
You betcha.
Mr. Hicks is the very last one on the docket, Your Honor.
Everyone else is late, but not Bob Hicks. Bob, can you hear me? There he is. You're early. Talk to me about Lorraine Gonzalez, please, who for some reason is a fugitive.
The felony MTR warrant.
You're on mute, sir.
Can you hear me, Bob? Your microphone's turned off. We can't hear you. Your microphone's turned off, Bob.
I thought I'd managed to turn it
Now you're
on.
cooking. You're good.
So I'm last on the docket, but hopefully not in the court's heart. I understand that she has a warrant pending.
Yes, it's a felony MTR warrant.
You represent her on the felony, Bob?
No, sir.
Well, if, as, and when she shows up, I guess, are you still in contact with her at all?
Never been able to get in touch with her whatsoever.
All right, so
She,
you've never been in touch with her?
She is on bond, and I just found out that there's a number that I can try. However, this is an old SID, so I expect that the number that they gave me with the appointment is probably 10 years old. Since this this young lady has a 6-digit SID number starting with 3.
Today is Tuesday. Why don't you try and find her? If you can't find her by noon tomorrow with whatever contact information you have, call Pat and let her know, and I have to do bad things to her. So if we don't hear from you by noon tomorrow, she's going to get a bond increase in some capacity.
Mr. Hicks, I'll look and see what the most recent bond is, and I'll give you that information. I'll send it to you if that's okay with you.
You're such a nice person.
I try sometimes.
What?
It's because I'm trying to make up for all the years I was a probation officer.
Survivor's guilt, huh?
Uh-huh.
All right, I shall anxiously await your message.
All right.
Can you tell me who her bond company is?
I will. I'll send it to you after we finish with this for sure.
All right, thank you, Judge.
Yep.
Since this concludes my business with the court, may I be excused?
Yes, sir. Absolutely. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Okay. We have one more in, Your Honor.
I got Mikey Bellevue. I'm looking for you. Gotcha.
I'm
Travis Perez, Mike.
right. I was here last week. Asked for an offer, never got one.
Bad state. Go ahead, state if you would, and fire him off an offer. Mike, let's reset you another week so you can get an offer. The state's been kind of busy.
Because I understand that.
We'll be sure to get him one this week, Judge.
All right, that's all we can ask for. All right, is that all you got today, Mike?
Yes.
You're out of here, thanks. Sophie, I did something bad to one of your clients, but I can't remember who it was. I don't remember what I did.
It's probably this one, Your Honor.
I
Don't do
got a
anything.
violation report on somebody and you were the attorney.
Probably this one, Your Honor.
Don't do anything
Anyone
bad.
wrong?
Nothing bad to my clients, Judge. Come on.
Let's see.
Celeste Burton.
667-899.
Yes,
We
that's
don't
the
get a lot of
violation report.
Sophie pretty much keeps all her guys in line. We hardly ever get a violation report on one of Sophie's people.
Judge, let me talk to you about that. If you did anything bad, you know, you're gonna have to take it back because no, Judge, really, what happened was she was sick and I keep in contact with her all the time, and she actually called her pretrial officer, Miss Leslie Lopez, who I have the experience of, she never answers anyone. And I've had to, every time I see somebody with Leslie Lopez, I have to call her supervisor. But my client actually thought she had COVID. She was really sick, and I guess she ended up having a cold or a flu. And she called in sick to work. She didn't go to work, and she was taking, she told me, she called her officer and she was taking the NyQuil and all the stuff that has alcohol in it for 2 days. And she left a message with her officer telling her, I went to go get COVID tested. I thought I had COVID. I've been sleeping for 2 days. I think that made me test positive. I'll stop taking it. And then she stopped after those days. But I think she hasn't had any other violations. She works with she works at a veterans hospital, Veterans Specialty and Emergency Hospital, Blue Pearl, and she is like a manager there. She told me she missed work, but you currently had her on 3 blows 3 times a day, and so what can we do with that? I think she had no prior violations, and I think it was a Saturday and a Sunday, which are the days that she was sick and she didn't go to work. So.
Well, we got 1,000 defendants on pretrial and 1,000 defendants on probation, and everyone's got at least one lawyer. So I don't remember the specific defendant or what her actual violations are, but I'll look at it this afternoon and track down the violation report. I don't know how high or how many times she had problems.
I have the violation report, Judge, right here, if you want me to tell you about it.
What is the high? Did she make a high blow? Is that what it was?
Yeah, let's see. On the Saturday and Sundays that she was sick, she had, one of them says she blew at 7:36 in the morning, and it says a GPS position could not be obtained due to the inability to acquire a GPS signal. And then the next one, she blows again at 7:46:17. And it says again that they could not get a GPS position. It's showing her picture, but it won't pick up a GPS position. Then she tries again at 7:57, and the violation on one of them was a .09 and an .087 on the second one. And then she tries to blow again, and it doesn't pick up anything. And then at 7:57:25, it picks up nothing, and then it skipped from there. That's on 10:10, but on 10:9, she blows and passes, and then it shows her battery level is down, and then she shows at 5 p.m. in the afternoon, she's a .14. And then it shows that there's a temporary wait on the machine, and then the next one again at 5:14, it says that she didn't take it, and then at 10:10 at night, she's an .91. But those are the dates she's telling me that she was sick, and she said, look, Ms. Martinez, I didn't know, but I took Theraflu, NyQuil, cough drops, and I took them for several days. And when my machine started blowing me positive, I called my officer and told her what was going on. She sent me a picture of the COVID test she took.
Your Honor, I just sent you the violation report.
Did she blow retests on all these high blows?
It looks like she retested once or twice after, and then by the 3rd time or 4th time, it looks like it skipped. She skipped.
I probably ordered Scram. Those are all legally intoxicated blows. One of them's only almost twice legally intoxicated. I'll have
They
to
are
look at
very
it.
high.
If you don't hear from me by tomorrow at noon, Sophie, would you track me down or text me or something?
Yes, Judge, I will. And other than that, I think I have gotten the discovery on it all, I believe, but I don't have an offer. I have communication with her all the time, but I need an offer on that
All right,
case.
state she's got 2 cases, a DWI second, and a failure to stop and give information. I'm assuming those are the same incident. Would that be correct? So,
Yes, sir, it is.
try to get Ms. Martinez a offer here in the next week. And Sophie, once again, if you don't hear from me by tomorrow at noon, text me.
I will, Judge.
All right, thanks.
Your Honor, Mr. Dwiggins, who is under, 2 under.
Got him.
Martinez, good.
Mr. Dwiggins, Sabrina Garcia, please.
Yes, sir. Is this a docket where we can confer, or is that just on
You
email?
can come back at 3:15, which is not very far off, and confer if you want, but I can't let them go out while we're waiting on new people to come in.
Okay. All right. Well, I might get caught up in something, but if not, I'll come back.
Let me back up a second. Are you in contact with Ms. Garcia?
Yes, sir.
And have you received an offer yet?
No, sir.
All right, state, please fire off an offer. Just reset it for 1 week, and if you can come back in, 30 minutes and chat with them, you're welcome to do that. Otherwise, you've got another week to get with them, okay?
That's fair. Thank you,
All right,
Judge.
You
Appreciate
bet.
it.
Bye. Ernie, I'm looking for you.
Oh, Judge, I'm here with Michelle Sanchez.
It's a 231, Your Honor.
Okay. Got it. And I'm assuming you're in touch with Ms. Sanchez, is that correct?
I am, Judge.
And have you received an offer yet?
I did receive an offer October 5th from Ms. Galloway. I probably will have a suggestion for a counteroffer. We need to communicate that.
How much time you need?
Few weeks.
Done. Okay, we'll see you in 2 weeks. That's all I've got for you today, I think.
Yes, sir, it is. Thank you very
All right.
much.
Thanks.
We got Memori is
Mr. Memori, let me look for you.
3 o'clocker,
3 o'clocker.
last page, somewhere around the last page.
Got it. Talk to me about Terrell Kirk Jackson, please.
Judge, I demand that the state issue a dismissal on that case.
You say
This was,
you're waiting for a dismissal? Is that what you're doing?
I want a dismissal, but I don't think it's going to be coming. Judge, on this case, Mr. Terrell Mr. Kirk Jackson finally got in touch with me today, so I am in touch with him. I need an offer from the state and go from there.
How about we reset you for a week to give the state time to give you an offer and for you to chat with your client about it? Will that work?
Judge, what day do you want us to come back?
Next Tuesday at 2.
I'll send you this
Okay.
information, Raheem.
Same sign in.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
All right, thanks.
All right.
And I got Mr. Rivera. I'm looking for you.
Hello, Judge.
I got you. Javier Alejandro Garza, please.
That is my guy, sir. We are waiting on an offer from the state, Judge.
Okay. Are you in contact with Mr. Garza?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's reset for a week for the state to fire you off an offer and for you to chat with your client about it. Will that work?
That'll work for next Tuesday, Judge?
Next
Tuesday
Tuesday,
at
I'll
2.
send you the information.
Okay, no problem.
All right. You bet.
All right,
Thank you.
good to see you, Judge. Yes, sir. I'll see you back.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Ms. Galvan, an attorney or a defendant?
It's a defendant, Your Honor. I believe her attorney is Monica Guerrero, and I guess people are still waiting for the 3 o'clock to show up. So we'll